Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rich. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back here with another video for you guys, and I am going to be reviewing this awesome unit from Afsisterwig. I am so excited for this unit, you guys. It is the Skin Melt lace wig, and when I tell you it is the most effortless wig you'll ever come across, the perfect wig for the lazy girl, because I know I'm not the only one. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. And right now I'm just unboxing, so yeah, enjoy. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see how effortlessly this lace blends into your girl's skin though. Like, they were not playing when they said skin melt. Like, do you guys realize that I did not do anything to this wig? I did not customize it in any way, shape, or form. Yet it blends so easily. I didn't even cut the lace. Like, I'm in love. Alrighty you guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you the comparison between the Swiss lace and the normal lace from an old wig that I have, and you guys can clearly see the difference between the laces. The old lace is a little bit gray, whereas the Swiss lace matches my skin tone better. The knots are much tinier and it just blends much easily, like without even having to do much. Alrighty you guys, so I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and right now I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can actually wear this wig without any adhesive if you choose not to, but I am gonna lay it down with some got2b glue, and yeah. So this is how the wig looks once I have laid it down, and I am so happy you guys. There is a little bit of residue over there, but that's nothing that I can't wipe away a little later on. But overall I am so impressed with this, you guys. Like, the fact that I didn't have to do much is impressive. And right now I am going to be opening a middle part because I just prefer a middle part, and I just wish I had plucked the parting a little bit, but even though I didn't, I feel like the parting still looks very natural, and that's the point of me actually doing this video. I just wanted to do the bare minimum so that you guys can see, especially if you're new to a wig, you like a beginner, you don't have to do much to this wig in order for you to rock it and still look like you actually put in a lot of effort. You get what I'm saying? Whereas you didn't. That's the key. So that's what I really love about this wig. It's like literally effortless, you guys. Alrighty, you guys, so that brings me to the end of the video. But before I wrap things up, I just wanted to give you guys my final thoughts on this hair. And listen, this unit is so amazing. Like, this is the type of unit that I live for, okay? A type of unit where I do not have to do much to get it to look the way it's supposed to look. Like, I don't want to have to bleach the knots because who's got the time? I know I don't. If you do, please let me know, where do I get more time? Because listen, she don't got it. So I really love that about this unit. It is a well-constructed wig, and there is quite a lot of parting space. It's only a frontal, but there's still quite a lot of parting space, which I love. And you guys have seen in the video, I did do like a half up, half down style because I was going for like the whole 90s look, you know what I'm saying, because she is a 90s girl. So I'm really feeling that whole vibe right now. And yeah, you guys, like, in terms of the hair is really amazing. It's silky soft. I have not experienced excessive shedding. I haven't really experienced any tangling. So, but then again, I have only worn the hair today. I haven't had a chance to actually wear it out for a week or so. But I will leave an update, a week's update, either in the description box or in the comment section. So look out for that if you want to know like how the hair is after a week or so. So yeah. But so far, you guys, I'm really impressed. I love the hair. Like, I literally have no complaints about this hair. And yeah, man, that brings me to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And before I forget to mention, all the relevant information will be listed down in the description box, so definitely check that out. If you still have further questions after reading everything in the description box, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond, because you guys know I love to interact with you guys, so don't be scared to ask me any questions. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Love and light to all.